Hi everybody, Lori here from Unique in the Creek. I am now going to go through on how you can download your digital images that you have bought onto a USB stick should you want to go into like a Walgreens or any place like that, or even bring the stick right into Staples because you can use their machines and all kinds of stuff. So if you want to just actually bring in a stick and not do it online, this is the tutorial for you. So after you bought your digital prints, you did get an email that your downloads are ready. So you're going to double click in and open that up. And there you should have the listing of all your digital images that you purchased. So you're going to click on it, the link for it. Okay. And this is what you see, and you're going to download it. When you click download now, hopefully you have a place that on your computer that you are going to download all your images. So if you have not made a file yet, make yourself a file and label it Unique in the Creek Wreath Inserts or something like that. So, and always save whatever you buy into that file so you always know where to look for it. I have a file called, on my desktop, I have a file called Finished Wreath Centers. Okay, so I'm going to open it and I'm going to save it there. Now it'll probably pop up that I already have it saved because I do. So I'm just gonna, I don't want to replace it. Oh, I guess I can replace, no, I'm not going to replace it. I'm just going to say no. You would say yes, okay? So once you have it downloaded, you're going to go into that file where you just downloaded it. So I'm going to go in my desktop, Finished Wreath Centers. It was the Cardinal. Now you need to have a USB stick. It doesn't matter what size. These are really small files. So even like an 8 millibyte or gigabyte USB stick will work. So I am going to find the Cardinal one. Where'd it go? I don't even know where it is. So I'm just going to pick one. So I plugged in my stick. I'll unplug it so you guys can see what happens when I do plug it in. So when you plug in your stick in your computer, mine came down here. It's on the D drive, so it's called LexRD. So when I go over here, there it is right there. Now to put it on to my stick is very easy. It's pretty much drag and drop, okay? So I can take any one of these files or a bunch of them. So if I wanted to do this one, I clicked shift. I'll do it again. So you click it, so you just have that highlighted, and then you can click shift and then click the left key or the left mouse key, and it'll highlight all three of them. Or you can do individually ones, so you can do Believe in the Season, and if you can do press down Control and left click, you don't have to have it in order. Okay, so I've highlighted 5 different ones all at the same time without it being in order, so they're sporadic all over. So now what I'm going to do is hold down my left mouse key and drag all these files down into LexRD. So you can see that it's going to be copied to LexRD, and then just release. It's probably going to be copied. Not sure why it's coming up like that. Let's try it. It's singular. Maybe this one? Without its properties. I'm not sure what that means, but let's have a look what it does. So there they are. And it came up just fine. So you can see it's very large because it is an 11 by 17 paper, and obviously my computer screen is not 11 by 17. So there, that is your file. So you can put as many files, and close them all. If you want, a good way to not lose all your files as well is to have them on a stick as a backup. So have them on your computer and a stick, and then put that stick away. But if you wanted to, like I said, just have them printed wherever, you just hand the person the USB stick and you tell them that you want the PDF files printed on 11 by 17 paper in color. And depending on what they'll ask you, what type of paper, that would mean like the poundage. So you would just say the lightest paper that you have, especially if you're using the character board. So that would be from 24 pounds to probably 38 pounds. So they'll give you a range depending on what they have. If you're using the flower board as a character board, then you'd want to use a cardstock. Have it printed on a cardstock, and that's usually about 100-pound cardstock. Okay? So this way, when you have it on the USB stick, you can literally get it printed anywhere, at any print shop. All you have to do is hand them your USB, and they will take it from there. That's the easiest way to do it. So you don't need to have a Staples, Office Max, or anything. Any little local print shop will be able to do it for you. Okay? I hope this helped you guys out, and we should see a lot of character wreaths soon. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye, guys.